Welcome to your CAPM journey. This course is specifically designed to take you from those first moments of uncertainty to a state of total readiness for the Certified Associate in Project Management exam. We have structured these 23 hours to be your guide through the vast landscape of project management, covering everything from the traditional, structured world of predictive planning to the fast-paced, adaptive environments of agile and hybrid delivery. You don't need to be a veteran project manager with a decade of experience to excel here. This certification is built for early career professionals, career changers, and students who want to prove they have the foundational knowledge required to support and lead projects successfully. Imagine walking into a bustling project office for the first time as a junior coordinator. You see teams huddling around whiteboards, schedules pinned to the walls, and a sense of purposeful movement. You have the drive and the energy, but you might feel like you're missing the secret map everyone else is using to navigate the chaos. That map is the formal language and structure of project management. Today, you are stepping into that room not just as an observer, but as a future professional ready to master the tools that turn ideas into reality. This journey is about more than just a certificate. It is about gaining the confidence to speak the language of global business and lead with a recognized framework. As we begin, it is important to clarify a term you will hear often, the associate in CAPM. Many people mistakenly think associate implies a secondary or passive role, where you simply watch others work. In the eyes of the Project Management Institute, or PMI, being a certified associate means you are a vital contributor who understands the mechanics of how value is delivered. While a senior manager might focus on high-level strategy, a CAPM certified professional focuses on the how, the requirements, the schedules, the risks, and the communication flows that keep a project from stalling. You are the engine room of the project, ensuring that the theoretical plans actually result in completed work. One of the most common hurdles for new learners is the belief that project management is just common sense and doesn't require formal study. While common sense is a great starting point, the CAPM exam tests your ability to apply a specific, standardized vocabulary and a set of logic-based processes. For example, in daily life, we might use the word task and activity interchangeably, but in a project environment, these terms have specific relationships to the work breakdown structure and the project schedule. By moving past common sense and into standardized practice, you ensure that whether you are working in London, Tokyo, or New York, you are using a global standard that reduces errors and improves the chances of project success. Over the coming sections, we will break down complex concepts like the critical path method, earned value analysis, and the Agile Manifesto into clear, manageable steps. We will explore the human side of projects, the roles of sponsors, stakeholders, and team members, and dive deep into the world of business analysis, which is a significant part of the modern CAPM exam. You are now part of a community of professionals who value discipline, adaptability, and results. Now that you've arrived and understand the scope of our journey, the next logical step is to look at the roadmap itself to ensure you get the most out of every minute we spend together. Let's move forward into how to use this course effectively to guarantee your success.